How to create a PDF file on iPhone. Method 1. Create a PDF from a document. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. Find the document or file you want to convert into a PDF. Tap and hold the file, then select Quick Actions. Now tap Create PDF. Your iPhone will instantly create a PDF version of the file in the same location. Method 2. Create a PDF from a photo. You can also create a PDF from a photo. Open the Photos app and select the picture you want to convert. Tap the Share button.
Scroll down and tap Print.
On the Print Preview screen, use 2 fingers to zoom in on the preview. This will open the image as a PDF. Now tap the Share button again.
Scroll down
and select Save to Files. Choose where you want to save the PDF and tap Save. Method 3. Scan a document as a PDF. You can also scan a physical document directly from the Files app. Open a folder.
Tap the 3 dots. Select Scan Documents and scan your document. After scanning all the pages, tap Save. Your scanned document will be saved as a PDF file, and that's how you can easily create a PDF on your iPhone using the built-in iOS features. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.